In this video, let me show you how to submit tax information in Google AdSense. First, make sure you are on the Google AdSense website and then navigate to the payment section from the left-hand menu. After that, select the Payment Info tab. And now, assuming you have successfully connected your payment account, you will see an option to add tax info or update tax info. Click on it, and then a new window will appear guiding you through a series of questions. After that, select the tax form based on your status. Now, for the individuals who are non-US residents, choose W-8BEN. After that, click Start Tax Form and then enter credentials. Next, carefully review all the details you have provided and then confirm the declaration and electronically sign the form by typing your full legal name. Now, click Submit to finalize the process. After that, Google AdSense will review your tax information and you'll receive a confirmation email once it is approved, usually within 24 to 48 hours. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.